Welcome to another video tutorial by MilesWeb. Click on the subscribe button to get notified for our latest videos. How to create reseller accounts on WHM cPanel. To create reseller accounts, log in to WHM with root access. Select the Account Functions option from the navigation menu. Click on Create a new account. A form will appear for you to fill in the details of the account. However, the next step is most important. Scroll down to the Reseller Settings section of the form and select the Make the account a reseller option. Note that by ticking the Make the account own itself option, you can grant the user authority to control and modify the reseller account. Do not select this option if you wish to keep the privilege with the root account. Once you have filled in all the details, click on Create. With this, you will have a brand new reseller account at your disposal. You can upgrade your server's existing account to a reseller account. It is possible to add reseller privileges to the account via the Reseller Center. To add reseller privileges to an existing account, log in to WHM with root access. Select the Resellers option from the navigation menu. Click on Reseller Center. Select the cPanel account from the Add Reseller Account Privileges drop-down menu to apply the privileges. You can even select the Make the new reseller own their own account option. Click on Add. The system will display a confirmation message to inform you that it has granted the reseller privileges to the account. Creating a reseller account or adding reseller privileges is not enough. You must set some constraints if you want to utilize the reseller account properly. To define reseller privileges for an account, log in to WHM with root access. Select the Resellers option from the navigation menu. Click on Reseller Center. Select the reseller account from the drop-down list to define its privileges. Click on the Edit Reseller Name Servers and Privileges option. A form-like page will appear with various options to define the settings for the reseller account. They are the privileges you can grant the reseller account that will also establish the authority of its user. Select the privileges you want to assign the account and click on Save All Settings at the end. To remove reseller privileges of an account, log in to WHM with root access. Select the resellers option from the navigation menu. Click on Reseller Center. Select the reseller account from the Remove Reseller Account Privileges drop-down list and click on Remove. Doing this will not erase the reseller privileges you defined for that account. It will, however, revoke its status as a reseller, making the WHM panel inaccessible to the account user. That's how you can create reseller accounts on WHM cPanel. Hopefully this video was helpful for you. If yes, then hit the like button. For any technical questions, you can contact us on this email ID. Do follow us on other social media platforms.